Hey you guys, so it's me, Katie. All lost ones. Oh, it's me. What are you gonna do? Nothing. You're not gonna do anything but watch this video. Well, I don't know. You don't have to watch this video, but I would highly recommend that you watch this video. What are we gonna do? Nothing. Oh, Lord, I'm tired. Anyway, I'm always wearing these pajama pants, just so you're aware. I mean, and it's not like I own like a ton of them. I literally own this pair, and I just wear them. Because where am I going? Where am I going in these pants? Nowhere. Sleep. What am I doing in my sleep? I'm sleeping. It's fine. Anyone who goes, oh, that's gross, you know what? You're gross.
Check it out.
What?
Green trees.
Oh, green trees. That's the place that they were talking about with the fucking trees that aren't dead. The three dogs like, ow!
I'm not even experiencing on jet.
You're not on jet right now? My hair is fading. Or I feel like it is. Do you think it is? I think it is. I want it to be bright again. This is so depressing. And next time it's getting all dyed up to here, so it's going to be literally all that color all above my head.
Normally outsiders are forbidden inside Oasis, but he has made an exception.
Anyway. So I have a question. If you had $6 billion, what would you do? Or if you could be the president of the United States, what would you do? And also, here's another question. If you don't want to answer any of those questions, why don't you want to answer them? Like, what are you trying to hide? Like, what? There's no, like, right or wrong answer. Alright. Anyway, Lily's coming home, so I gotta go. Bye. She's coming over for a friend's house, so I gotta go. Bye. Answer those questions. I don't know why I'm whispering.